Y'all, we about to do She Ratchet video because we bored the fuck down. So don't mind the beginning of this She Ratchet shit. Alright.
This your boy Emmanuel and Hudson. Follow me on Twitter at _coach and my little brother at
Feeling myself.
Alright, y'all. And today, this video is gonna talk. I'm gonna tell y'all about how ratchet girls.
So you gonna play the music.
Who the hell come out the house like that?
She is doing them up.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her legs front is all wrong.
Because she ratchet.
I gotta take this out of the picture.
She ratchet.
Got it.
I'm gonna put this bitch on Twitter.
Because she ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
Look out, not with them shoes, bro.
Because you ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
She ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too bad. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy, and he came with a sister. Oh yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the flow. No shoes.
What's up?
Had to get cute today. I bought these for me. Had to get cute. Baby, that just ain't good. He's looking shoe today. Baby, you do shoes today. Transport take you to today. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the good? Let me go, beat it up. Mood, child. It's the 15. I got my fools. It's got a brand new piercing. Brand new test. Pay $95 for the speed plus tape. Bow! So go ahead and take along. Thinking that you better than the other fucking nigga on. Whatever. She and I, not them. Boy, bye. Hey, girl. You look good. Get it. Okay. We gonna talk to you later. Bye. OMG, what the shit up?
She ratchet.
Her legs front is all wrong.
Because she ratchet.
Get it wrong. I gotta take this out of the picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
Because I ain't got time for this. I'm too
See
grown.
you ratchet.
Boy, not with them shoes on.
She ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her
Oh,
face.
she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she's too bad.
She ratchet.
My name is Email, but my girlfriends call me Neisha. Number 3 before 11, we can girl, we party. Yes, I am the best bitch, can't have this boo-boo, sorry. And 2 chains is my future baby daddy. Mari, got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills like my pants on. Pound, team, dark skin. We don't like them red bones. You Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone. Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Shit. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team He Pay. Like what you saying, he might as well spend it all on me. You ain't look like nothing. You ain't look like nothing. What you want to do? I'm not gonna broke please. Oh, you ratchet, you dirty as shit. Look at your feet. Ugh.
Look at my wig.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her legs front is
all
wrong.
she ratchet. Give me the phone.
I gotta take this half of the picture.
Because she ratchet.
I gotta put this thing on Twitter.
Because I'm ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Now when you ratchet.
Boy, bye.
Not with them shoes on.
Because you ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her
Ooh,
face.
she ratchet. I can't stand her.
Ooh, she's so fat. She ratchet.
Talk about the
What you
level.
do with your leopard skin? What you do?
Oh my god. Okay, so follow me at original Bree with 2 E's _
Follow me at XX_ take it with 2 E's.
Follow me at lovely _ Neisha with 2 A's. Neisha Neisha. Bye bye now.